Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about Newton's 3 laws of motion. The first law is called, quite creatively, Newton's first law of motion. This law dictates that if the net force on an object is zero, the object will remain either at rest or at a constant velocity. Imagine an apple, sitting on a roll of tape, sitting on a book, sitting on a drum, sitting on a DVD player, sitting on a chair. The normal force exerted by the surface the object is sitting on is equal to the force of gravity, and so the apple stays at rest, on top of the tape, on top of the book, on top of the drum, on top of the DVD player, on top of the chair. Newton's second law states that if the net external force on an object is not zero, the object will accelerate in the direction of the net force. Now, take away the things, and the apple will fall. The forces are now unbalanced, and so gravity wins. Force is a measurement of mass times acceleration. It describes how much force, effort, is required to move an object. Force is measured in newtons. Our apple weighs 0.12 kilograms, and the force acting on the apple is the 9.8 meters per second squared of gravity. So, it has a force of 1.2 newtons down acting upon it. Finally, Newton's third law of motion. This law says that for every action there is a simultaneous reaction that is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Take, once more, our apple. If we swing another apple from the ceiling and it hits the first apple, both will move. The first to the left and the second to the right. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to tune in next week when I'll be talking about Newton's secret 4th and 5th laws of motion.